Assalamualaikum and hi guys. In this video, I will share with you on how to make a smart parking system controlled by the Blynk app. You will also learn how to program 3 servo motors on Arduino in this video. The hardware needed are Arduino, Cytron ESP8266 Wi-Fi shield, breadboard, 3 servos, and jumper wires. Stack the Wi-Fi shield on Arduino. Connect the ground wire to the negative line of the breadboard and connect 5 volt to the positive line of the breadboard. Connect the first servo to ground, 5 volt and pin 11. Connect the second servo to the ground, 5 volt and pin 10. Lastly, connect the third servo to the ground, 5 volt and pin 9. Now, we will set up the Blynk app. Open a new sketch on Arduino IDE. Before we start, we need to install a Blynk and ESP8266 Blynk library. Please make sure to install the latest version. The link is provided in our tutorial. Copy and paste the sample code that we have shared in our tutorial. Insert your auth token here. Change your SSID and password according to the wireless network. Then upload the code. Open the Blynk app again. In this sample code, I set the servo 1 and servo 2 to move from 0 to 90 degrees. For servo 3, I set it to move from 0 to 180 degrees. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.